I'm Dallas Freitas. I grew up in Pahoa. I went to a lot of different schools. Pahoa Elementary, charter school, then CAM, then back to the charter school. I graduated from there. I didn't have really any clue what I was going to do, so I figured I'd enroll in college. Wasn't quite sure what I wanted to enroll in at college, so I just chose chemistry because it sounded fun. I think I applied for 3 schools, and then Manoa was too expensive, so I just ended up going to Hilo. So I majored in chemistry. I think originally when I started, I wanted to go into industry, so like oil. I wanted to move to Texas and do the oil stuff. But I think it was in May of my freshman year, or the end of my freshman year, my dad's friend Daryl asked if I would be interested in working or doing an internship here at the pharmacy. And I said, yeah, it sounded fun. So in 2016, I think June, I started working in Donna's lab as a volunteer. So probably every other day I'd come in and attempt to do an experiment. And I think at the end of that summer, I applied for the school's Embry program. And through there, I was working still under Donna in the Embry program, pretty much running the same experiments as before. Then I think the next year after, at around April, I got to go to my first conference at the Jabsum College of Medicine or School of Medicine on Oahu. I got to present what I've been doing. And then soon after I learned of, and I applied for the NIH Visit Week. Soon after I found out I actually got to go to the Visit Week, which was really nice. It was a week to visit the NIH campus in Bethesda, Maryland. It was a really great experience. I got to see everything, go to almost all of the major buildings. I think it's their hospital, their neurology, then their big library too. So that was fun. It was a nice experience. And that was pretty much the end of my first year working in Donna and Ingo's lab. I think the May of the next year, I applied and got into our school's SHARP program and started working under Ingo, doing electrophysiology. And that gave me an opportunity to go to another conference called Abercrombs. I think it's an annual biomedical minorities conference, symposium. And from there, I got to visit Texas A&M's booth. And then there they told me to apply for a summer RU program. It was in biology, but I looked at the school later on and that they had a chemistry RU program as well. And I applied for that one. And that upcoming summer, I got into that program. There I worked under Simon North, looking at the photodissociation of ozone in the Hartley band, which is way different from what I've done before, but it was nice. I think it wasn't until I went to the Abercrombs conference that I realized what I actually wanted to do after I graduated. I really like research. It's really fun, interesting. I think my favorite part was just going everywhere and meeting new people and making new friends. You just have fun. This was really great. So I decided what better thing to do would be to just attempt a PhD. So I applied for a bunch of schools and I decided pretty much to go to Texas A&M to do my PhD in chemistry. So I'll be heading there in about a month. I'll probably be working under Dr. Christian Hilty, looking at cell membrane ligand bonding using NMR. I got a fellowship from the university itself. I think it's their graduate diversity excellence fellowship. So I think it's 3 years. That was a major part of why I wanted to do a PhD program in general, is they pay you. I think technically when I'm there, I'm going to be an employee of the university. So I get healthcare benefits, free tuition. If I had to pay for that, I would not go. It'd be too expensive. I would like to thank Daryl, Donna, Ingo, and my father. Without them, I wouldn't have gotten into any of the PhD programs, or any programs whatsoever.